In this video, we'll see what feature engineering is all about with the example of our favorite vada pav, Indian burger. So for making vada pav, what we need is potatoes. Potatoes is the main ingredient of vada pav along with spices. So if my potato is bad or it's become stale or it has become rotten, then my vada pav will be bad. Okay. So I have to select my potatoes so that my final vada pav is better. So this is feature selection. Then how do we do the feature extraction part? So my potato is there. So I'll have to peel the potato so that the person who is eating my vada pav can eat it easily and has a better sense of taste and experience. So that is feature extraction. We extract some parts of the feature. Okay. Then feature engineering. We can understand feature engineering in this way. So we use a lot of ingredients for making the final vada pav. One of them being spices. We have a myriad of spices while making vada pav. We mix them with potatoes. So mixing the spices with the potatoes is what essentially feature engineering is. We mix two different things, spices and potatoes, to create something new on filling for our vada pav. Okay. Then what we do is this filling is filled and stuffed inside the vada pav to give the entire thing. That is feature learning. The entire thing becomes my product. It is then sent to the next stage where it is fried and my vada pav is there. So it costs only 10 rupees and you can eat it easily. So that is everything about feature engineering. I hope you liked it. Like the video, comment and subscribe to our channel for such videos. Thank you.